How to make Jamaican brown stew chicken. Yes, this lovely caramel chicken. I will show you exactly how it is done. This have no browning to it. I will show you my secret ingredients. Welcome back everyone to another video with KK's Kitchen and more. What a guan. Yes, so I have already washed my chicken, clean it up, wash it with my vinegar and have it set aside. And now I am cutting up some seasoning to go along in seasoning up my chicken. So stay tuned guys, watch exactly what I'm doing and stay to see exactly how I put it together. Welcome back to all my beautiful subscribers. Thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. And to all those that are watching that have not yet pressed the subscribe button, what are you waiting on? Please subscribe to this channel, and when you subscribe, turn on the notification bell. That's when I post a video, you will be in the first set to receive that video. And here I am cutting up some seasoning to season up my chicken. And I have some tomato, I have the different color bell peppers, I have the yellow, the red, the green, I have an onion, and I have a piece of thyme. And so guys, I am also going to cut a piece of Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes man, real scotchy, flavorful and tasty. So I'm not putting in much because we are Jamaican know say scotchy pepper, real pepper. So guys, who know these? Who know these plum? Who know this plum? Yes guys, I got these plum from one of my co-worker. I love them, I love them, I love them. Who know these plum? Real Jamaican people, let me hear you in the comment section. If you know these plum, what's the name of these plum? You used to eat these plum? Let me know. So this is just a quick break. So guys, we are back. This is my chicken. As I said, I already wash and chop up stew chicken. I usually chop up my stew chicken. I don't joint them. I chop them up. And here I'm putting some garlic on the chicken because I didn't chop any on the board. So this is my garlic guys. I love to use garlic. Garlic have a lot of health benefit, so I love to use garlic. I am putting on some crushed pepper seed now. Yeah, just a little, you know, to help with the scotchy. You have to make it spicy. And I am putting on some of my seasoned blend. Remember, I use this seasoned blend. It consists of more than one seasoning. So when I use this, I don't have to put much more seasoning on my meat. I am going in with a little soy sauce. And I will go in also with a little fish and meat sauce. Yes guys, this help to, you know, bring all the flavors together. So when you're putting together your Jamaican brown stew chicken, guys, sumptuous and nice, it's very delicious. I'm putting on a little black pepper there, and I'm going to go ahead and put also just a little bit of oil. I have some olive oil here. You can use any cooking oil on your meat. When you put the oil on it, it helps to lock in the moisture inside of your meat. So when you are seasoning meat, guys, another pro tip, when you are seasoning meat, it is good for you to put a little oil because the oil helps to keep the seasoning in. So even though you are boiling, when you put water on the chicken, you know, sometimes at the end you have to go and put a little more seasoning. When you use the oil, you don't have to do that because the oil lock in the flavor inside of your chicken, even to the bone. So yes guys, I'm rubbing it in. Yeah, you know we do it Jamaican style. Get it all in the bone and everything guys. And I'm going to leave this and cover it for between 2 to 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours is good. And then it is time now to start putting my chicken in the pot. So what I do, I will remove the chicken from the seasoning, because I don't want to put the seasoning in there yet, because I don't want it to overcook and get soggy, right? And because the secret ingredients that I'm about to use, it is going to take some time for your chicken to come to the perfect color, right? To come to the perfect brown stew chicken color. So I'm removing all the cut up seasoning from it, and I'll show you exactly how I put this delicious Jamaican brown stew chicken together. Stay with me guys, stay with me to the end and see exactly what I'm doing, and let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this recipe. And here is my secret ingredients. Yes man, the brown sugar. I am doing it the brown sugar style. I'm not using any browning. And my chicken, brown stew chicken, I am using the sugar style, the real Jamaican style. Yes guys, this way you pot flavor from start to the end when you use the brown sugar, and it give you a very eye-catching look, you know, caramel style. Nice guys, nice. If you have never tried using brown sugar to look after your stew pork, stew chicken, oxtail and all of that, if you have never used it before, try it. So here the pot is on medium. You can put it on high because you don't want to burn the sugar too much, right? After you put the sugar in the pot, you just allow it to come up. And guys, you see how this come up nice? You see it start to float up on top. Yes, when it start to float up on top and the color start changing, that's when you go in with your meat, right? And this is going to brown stew your chicken. Very nice. So what you are going to do, you're just going to stir it up a little bit, because you don't want it to burn, right? So you just stir it up a little and cover it, guys. This is a slow simmer. You're just going to allow it on medium, no high, medium, and from time to time you will go in and you will check your meat and you will turn it. Yes guys, look at it, you see the color start changing already. This is nothing, just continue watching and you will see exactly how this chicken is going to, color is going to change, as if you have put browning on your chicken. And this is not browning, guys, this is the secret ingredients, which is the brown sugar. The brown sugar is what make it like this. See it, guys, we're going in again to stir. And remember, we're not putting in the water now. The juice from the chicken is going to keep this, and that is why we are doing it on medium heat, not high, because we are taking our time to get that caramel flavor and color, right? So we don't want anything to burn here, so we are going to take our time and we are going in. Guys, off camera I went in and I put in my season. Look at that. And I just put a little bit of water with it, just a little bit of water, because it already been cooking in its own juice. So because of gravy, I'm putting in a little bit of water in it, and also, you know, to cook the seasoning. So here it is, guys. Nice. Guys, you should have been in my kitchen. Oh God, the aroma is so much. It's so much, so flavorful. This Jamaican brown stew chicken is the boss. And here I am going in with my favorite okra. If you love okra, tell me in the comment section if you love okra. Guys, I love okra so much. I can just cook the okra and eat it all by itself. And so I'm going in with the okra. And the okra, I'm not going to let it cook till it's too soft. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Gravy is coming. Look at this. Gravy is thickening. Chicken look nice, smell nice. Oh God, guys. And here I'm going in for the taste, because remember, you have to taste your pot, right? Taste your pot, man. Always taste your pot to see if you need anything inside of it, you know, probably a little more salt, because remember I didn't put any salt in there. So but because the seasoning is salt, I always wait until almost the end to check for seasoning. So you're going to check if anything needed in there. If you want, you can put a little ketchup. You can put a little ketchup in it right here. So yes, guys, and allow it to just simmer. And then this is it, guys. This is Jamaican brown stew chicken, and here I am serving it with that delicious callaloo dumpling that I made the other day. Yes, man, Collar Smith inspired callaloo dumpling, but it's KK's kitchen, you know, tweak it a little bit. Yes, this is what I serve with my Jamaican brown stew chicken, with that delicious dumpling and piece of yam and Irish and thing. Yes, guys, I thank you so much for staying with me. I appreciate you. If you have reached to the end, leave a comment in the comment section that you have reached to the end of the video, right? So I know who stay with me to the end. And here is the leftovers. I am just serving out the leftovers in a dish, because this is going to put away, yes, guys, for our lunch or maybe dinner for tomorrow. This delicious Jamaican brown stew chicken. Remember, guys, let me know if you have tried this. And so I just want to say thank you for being here. I appreciate you. God bless you, and walk good. Love you, guys.